Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project is claimed to be the costliest irrigation project to be taken up by any state in India till date. With an estimated cost of rupees 80,500 crores, it is said to be a key promise of Telangana's TRS government.
తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం అయిందే మా కరువును తరిమేసుకోవడానికి. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ఏర్పడిందే మా ప్రజల సాగునీటి తాగునీటి గోస తీర్చడానికి. 600 సరే, ఏది ఏమైనా సరే, పిడుగులు పడ్డా సరే, భూకంపాలు వచ్చినా సరే, ఈ 1300 టీఎంసీల నీళ్లు తెలంగాణ వాడుకొని తీరుతుంది. ఖచ్చితంగా ఆ మేరకు ప్రాజెక్టు నిర్మాణం జరుగుతుంది. ఎవ్వరు కూడా దీన్ని ఆపలేరు.
And the engineering giant Megha Engineering and Infrastructures Limited is proud to be the part of this engineering marvel. The TRS government has redesigned the project, enabling to store more water. After conducting highly advanced light detection and ranging (LIDAR) survey, it has redesigned the headworks, storage capacity and the canal system based on the date of availability of the water at different locations along the course of Godavari and its tributaries. The Kaleshwaram project has provision for the storage of about 148 TMC feet with plans of utilizing 180 TMC feet by lifting at least 2 TMC feet water every day for 90 flood days. The project is aimed to irrigate around 37 lakh acres in the 15 districts of Telangana. It got the longest tunnel to carry water in the world, running up to 81 km between Yelampalli Barrage and the Malanasagar Reservoir. Kaleshwaram project gigantic rare and silent features. Highest pump and motor capacity in package 8 and each is 139 megawatt and total 7 pumps and biggest underground pump house in package 8. Per day 2 TMC lifting is high and AMP. Big in and nowhere in the world so far. Highest power consumption scheme in the world. Longest tunnel in the world 203 in single scheme, but not single tunnel. Biggest underground surge pool in package 10. New barrages and pump houses each 3. Longest and biggest lift irrigation system in the world with total length 1,832 kilometers. Total gravity canal 1,531 kilometer. Total tunnel length 203, not single tunnel. Pressure pipeline 98 kilometer. Total lifts 20 numbers. Total pump houses 19 numbers. Total pumps 82 numbers. Power requirement 4,627.24 megawatt. Power consumption 13,558 million units. New reservoirs 20 numbers. Old and existing reservoirs 5 numbers. Live storage 147.71 TMC. Kaleshwaram project envisages diversion of 180 TMC of water by construction of barrage across river Godavari at Megha near Kaleshwaram, and 2 more barrages between Megha and Sripada Yelampalli project at Annaram village and Sundila village to convey water to the command area spread over in 13 districts of Telangana through components such as canals, tunnels, lift systems, reservoirs and distributory network for irrigating an area cut of 18,25,700 acres, proposed area cut of 16,40,000 acres. The project had been conceived to convey water to the command area through components such as canals, tunnels, lift systems, reservoirs, and distributor network. The entire project is divided into 7 links and 28 packages. Being a multi-purpose project, it is also contemplated to provide 10 TMC of drinking water for en route villages and 30 TMC of drinking water for twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, and 16 TMC of water to industries in addition to agriculture. The total power requirement for this project is estimated to be 4,628 megawatt. The project is programmed to be completed by June 2022.
Megha Engineering has taken up the construction of gigantic pump houses, which is said to be the heart of Kaleshwaram project, which is the part of Package 8. Package 8, the continuity of Package 7 works, which includes the construction of 2 mega tunnels within a distance of 4.13 kilometers and a pump house at Rangampet. The length of this twin tunnel is 8.266 kilometers and the dia of the tunnel is 10 meters. From here, around 2 TMC of water would be lifted with 7 pumps and would be taken away by canals with gravity to a distance of 6.75 kilometers. As a part of Package 8 works, Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited has undertaken the construction of the first pump house comprising of 5 units is built in 58,275 square feet, and the second pump house comprising of 2 units is built in 11,340 square feet. This superstructure is built at 321 meters below ground level, which is close to 1/3 of a kilometer. The bottom of the surge pool, which is underwater, is at a depth of 185.52 meters. The total depth of the pump house alone is 137.5 meters. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project, Package 8, is unique in this respect. The construction of pump house was taken up at underground level, which is unique and extremely complex. Besides, MEIL is involved in the construction of a pump house near Kanepalli village, Medigada, with a lifting capacity of 2 TMC or 3 TMC per day with 11 pumps. Construction of a pump house at Kasipet, Annaram, with a lifting capacity of 2 TMC or 3 TMC per day with 8 pumps. Besides, MEIL is constructing a pump house near Golivada with a lifting capacity of 2 TMC or 3 TMC per day with 9 pumps.
The proposed project reduces the submergence in the state of Maharashtra and eventually becoming mutually agreeable. The total forest area needed for the project is 2,866 hectare 18 approximately, and other area needed is 31,871.8 hectare rounded to 32,000 hectare. Power requirement. The total power requirement for the project is 4,627 megawatt, and the overall energy required for the project is 13,558 million units. Power to various lift points is to be availed from the respective power supply authorities. The power supply shall be met from the DG sets of adequate capacity and shall be installed for putting into service in case of power failure for lighting and colonies. Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited is spearheading in this task.